Hey there, health enthusiasts! Do you ever wonder if you're getting enough vitamins in your diet? Well, today, I'm going to break it down for you. So grab a seat and let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about why vitamins are essential. Vitamins play a critical role in keeping our bodies running smoothly. They help boost our immune system, convert food into energy, and repair cellular damage. Without the right amount of vitamins, you could be feeling sluggish, get sick more often, or even face long-term health issues. So, how do you know if you're getting enough? Here are a few signs to watch out for. Feeling tired all the time? You might be lacking vitamin B12. This powerhouse vitamin is crucial for energy production. Got dry skin or brittle nails? You could be low on vitamin A, which helps with skin health and cell growth. Struggling with frequent colds? Vitamin C might be your missing link. This vitamin is a major player in keeping your immune system strong. Now, let's talk about how you can get more vitamins into your diet. First, eat a variety of foods. Fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and whole grains are packed with vitamins. For instance, oranges and strawberries are great sources of vitamin C. Spinach and carrots? They're loaded with vitamin A. Next, consider taking a multivitamin supplement. This can help fill in the gaps if your diet isn't perfect. But remember, supplements should never replace whole foods. They're just that, supplements. Also, don't forget the sunshine. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, is vital for bone health. Just 10 to 30 minutes of sun exposure a few times a week can do the trick. But if you live in a cloudy area or spend most of your time indoors, you might need a supplement. Lastly, listen to your body. If you're experiencing any of the signs we talked about, it might be time to reassess your diet or speak with a healthcare professional. In summary, getting the right amount of vitamins is key to maintaining good health and feeling your best. Eat a balanced diet, consider supplements if needed, and listen to what your body is telling you. That's it for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video.